Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from ActiveCampaing to ZohoInventory. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from ActiveCampaing to other systems. For example, in ZohoInventory, create new contacts each time a new deal is created in ActiveCampaing. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Select ActiveCampaing as the data source system. Next, you need to select the action Get Deals New. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaing account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. In order to receive them, go to your personal account ActiveCampaing. Go to the Settings section on the Developer tab. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the ActiveCampaing system, so just click Edit and Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your deals ActiveCampaing. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the configuration of the ActiveCampaing data source. Now you need to proceed to the data ingestion configuration. Choose ZohoInventory as the data ingestion system. Next, select the Create Contact action. At this stage, you need to connect your ZohoInventory account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from ActiveCampaing. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to ZohoInventory. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ZohoInventory. We go to the ZohoInventory personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.